Thank you.
Mũtambo ũyũ wa satellite ũgathĩkĩtwo thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Murang'a kũrĩa nĩkuo ceceni nene ya mũbango wa telemedicine kũrĩa arwaru marigitagwo marĩ o kũrĩa marĩ kũhĩtũkĩra kompyuta.
I'm sure those who are here, you have had complaints that when you go to a hospital, there is no systems. Sumesikia hiyo? Emotigwete ogwo. Bas. Kuanzia today, from today, God willing, that problem has been solved. We have moved away from Wi-Fi internet, from fiber internet, to what is called satellite internet provided by Starlink.
Gavana Irũngũ Kang'ata augĩte rĩu thibitarĩ ciothe 170 cia matũra nĩ irĩkoragwo na internet ũndũ ũrĩa ũkũhũthia ũrigitani.
That means several things. Number one, stable internet. Two, faster internet. Are we together? Stable, faster, and number three, cheaper internet. They have been going around all our 170 medical facilities, putting Starlink and dishes, and last week they completed all of them, and congratulations for that week.
Kaunti ya Murang'a inyitanĩire na honge ingĩ nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra ũndũ ũyũ nĩ wagacĩra.
And we're very excited to work with Murang'a County, not just on healthcare, but this also applies to education. It also applies to government offices. It also applies to private businesses, private enterprises.
We connect schools, we connect villages, we connect clinics. And what I've seen today is amazing. What I've seen in education is amazing. What if we can connect schools, clinics, the village at the same time every day?
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma Murang'a Kĩharũ kaunti ya Murang'a, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Victor Kĩnuthia.